Okay, so y'all already know I've been doing 75 hard and clean eating has been such a soft girl habit for me lately. I recently found these gluten-free English muffins from Pacha at Sprouts, and y'all, they're literally made with 2 ingredients because I've been on the hunt for something clean but still satisfying, and these hit every single time. It's no gums, it's no junk. These are absolutely perfect for my post-workout or my post-Pilates breakfast, especially because it's gut-friendly too. So if you're gluten-free or trying to eat better, sis, Pacha should be your newest obsession because this is definitely mine. And softness looks so good on you, boo, so feel your body a little bit better. And if this feels like your kind of safe space, then you're already home.